Welcome to the Introduction to Civil 3D video tutorial. Since you tuned in for AutoCAD Civil 3D, I'm going to make the fair assumption that you already know how to work with AutoCAD, regular vanilla AutoCAD. That means you know how this application manager works, the quick access toolbar at the very top, especially the ribbon, workspace area, and like these different selections, this green and blue, and what else we got the status bar down here. We have the file tabs, layout tabs. I'm assuming you already familiar with this. In case you're not, please have a look at my introduction to AutoCAD video tutorial, which exactly explained very simply how this ribbon works, and basically explain you everything you want to know about the AutoCAD interface. All right, so Civil 3D. So very briefly, to give you an bit of an introduction. So this is basically AutoCAD 2D drafting plus the GIS, Geographic Information System, that makes up this AutoCAD Civil 3D, which is we are using in civil engineering, surveying, and land planning. Going back to Civil 3D interface, if you look at the very top, you can see this workspace switching drop down list. In here you can see Civil 3D at the top, which is selected there, and if you go to drafting and annotation, you can see the ribbons getting changed, and it's gonna bring you this regular AutoCAD. And if you think I'm lying, there you go. So that is AutoCAD, and going back to Civil 3D, and exactly this is the AutoCAD. So let's go back to Civil 3D. There it is. So what do you see here? The main difference is, of course, the ribbon is different, and you got your home tab. You have points, surfaces, parcels, grading, and everything you want in this for the Civil 3D section. And what you have here at the left side, this is called tool space. That is the main difference. That is where actually your Civil 3D data is stored in this prospector section. If I explain about this tool space, this is actually we call a palette. The reason is, it's like the artist's palette. You can take it out and store in a place you like it to be. So if you like it to be in the left side corner, it's gonna go left side, and you can make it auto hide. Let's go back like that. If you click on this button right here, is gonna go dock in there, and it's gonna auto hide. And let's go there, bring it out. If you right click on it, so make sure when you try to move it, you click on this name bar, not everywhere else. So click on the tool space, this bar right here. So if you right click, it's gonna give you options: anchor left, anchor right, auto hide, whichever you like it to be. Usually I keep it standing like here. So in this tool space, we got 4 tabs here, or we can call them vistas. So we got prospector, settings, survey, and toolbar. So I'm going to explain you in detail about this prospector and the settings. So prospector, that is where Civil 3D is going to store your data in. So what are the details, whatever the details you have in your drawings in this model area, this workspace, going to be stored in this point, in this prospector region. To give you a bit of an example, so I'm going to create a couple of points. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly about everything you want to know about points. So just to show you, I click on points and just create that. And give it a name, a description, and so I created a point. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another one. So I'm going to name it as B, give elevation of 400. Okay, so alright, now I created 2 points. Okay, I see one here, there should be another one. Notice now something has changed here. Now there's a black dot showing at the points. That means there are some data already entered in this area. So if you click on them, so it expands and it show you in a tabular format whatever you created in this workspace. So if you wanna, so example, imagine you have a very complex drawing in this work area and it's really difficult for you to look at and find out things. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply right click on them and zoom to. It's going to take you to that particular point. Example, I have another file I'm planning to use in our future lessons. So in here, so notice the difference here. So I'm going to this lesson 1, and if you expand this alignment, there's nothing here. And if I go to this other file, and as I said, whatever you have in this area is going to be stored in this tool space, in this prospect. So in here, these are the alignments. Also, I'll have another lesson about alignments. So if I expand this, I got all the streets, the center lines explained here, stored in this prospect area. So in case I can't find the street name I'm looking for, I just simply I can look at this list in here, center lines, and if I want the Iowa, I just right click on it and go zoom to, and it's gonna zoom me myself into this Iowa street. So that's about this prospector. So settings is basically it's that is how we change the display, how it's going to be displayed on this workspace. So as an example, you can in the points, you can change the point style. You can simply go change the appearance of the points and anything you want. So I mean, in the sense, points, surfaces, all the civil engineering related things, you can change how it's going to be appeared in this work area. Alright, so I think that's good for the introduction. So next video I'm going to talk in detail about points. Alright, thank you very much.